Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 1 over 2 secant of t. Because if we put this one go in here, we have 1 over 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we cancel. Secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square. And later that we simplify by the square root. ds, we have 1 over 2 secant of t tan t dt. So this one we put in here. ds, we change for this one. So this one we have 1 over 4 secant of t square. Number 4, they cancel. Secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square. The square root of tan t square, we change for tan t. So we put 1 over 2 outside. Tan t with tan t, we have tan t square. Next, tan t square, we change for secant of t square minus 1. So secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and number 1. Now, I will concentrate about this integration. So, we need to use about integration by parts. So, I will put about u equal to secant of t. So if we do first derivative, we have secant of t tan t dt. dv, I will put about secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, we have tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus the integration du multiplied by v. So we have secant of t tan t square dt. About this one, we change for secant of t square minus 1. So secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and number 1. So we have two integrals in here. And we know that this one equals to this one. And this one we can write into secant of t to the power of 3. So we put this one go to the right. And this one plus this one, so we have number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Now we return back to this integration. So this one we change by this one. because we have negative secant of t in here. 1 over 2 multiplied by this one and this one. So we will have about 1 over 4 secant of t tan t plus 1 over 4 the integration of this one minus 1 over 2 the integration of this one. And 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2, we have negative 1 over 4. The integration of this one, we will have about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by number 2. And we have t equal to arcsecant of 2s. And we put this one to replace for t. We know that secant with arcsecant we have 2s. Similar for this one. Number 2 divided by 4, we have s over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.